Hi, hello, welcome to Cashew Kids. I made this book for my son to start his mathematics journey. I started teaching him numbers 1 to 10, for which I made these four activities. First one is counting on fingers. Fingers are one of the most important tools for children to learn numbers, easy and quick. So the second activity is count and stick. Third, count and pick, count and put. Fourth, spin and count. This is also a fine motor skill activity. So let's begin. Show me a hand. Nice. Shall I write numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now here I will write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now let's count how many fingers Sudanva has. Shall we count how many fingers you have? How many fingers you have, Sudhu? Keep your hand like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 fingers in your hands. Okay? So, keep like this. This is called 0. You can make it like this as 0. Okay. Close. 0. Okay. Wait. I'll now we should show. 1. Very good. 2. Good. 3. Very good. 4. 5. Okay. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. So you have 10 fingers. Okay? Let's play a game. Are you ready to play a game? Hold this pen. How many buttons are there?
1.
Very good. Can you show from your finger? Make it 0. 1. That's correct. Can you match the number? Where is 1? Good boy. Okay. Now let's take. Okay. Fine. Hold this pen. Count.
1, 2,
Okay, wait. Count now. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. So 5 buttons are there. Where is 5? It's here. Okay. So can you show me 5 fingers? Make it 0. Okay. Show me 5 fingers. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Where is 5? Match. That's nice. Very good. So let's put some more buttons here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Take this pen. Can you count how many buttons are there?
1, 2,
Let me make it proper. Okay. Count from the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. There are 8 buttons, right? Okay. This is number 8. 0, 0. Okay. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 5 and 3. It's 8. So, see how many fingers? 8 fingers. Very good. Can you match this number 8? Very nice. Good boy. Okay. Let me put some more buttons. Let me put little less today. This time. One. Okay. You want to keep this? Fine. Take this pen. Count.
1,
Loudly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. There are 7 buttons. Okay. This is number 7. 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is 6? Keep it. 6, 7. That's it. 7 finger. 5, 6, 7. Very good. Now match 7. Wow. Very nice. Good boy. Very good. Let's see activity 2. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. So, which number is this?
1,
Very good. Stick this. 1.
1,
Okay. Which number is this?
1,
This is 1. This is
2.
very good. So, you need to stick 2 stickers. Okay?
Yes.
Here. This line. 2 it is. Okay. 1.
1,
Here. Next. 2.
2.
See, there are 2 stickers. 2, 2.
Yes.
This is 3, right? You need to stick 3 stickers. Here. 1. Say 1.
1,
Okay. 2.
2,
3. Very good. See? 3. 1, 2, 3. Activity 3. Which number is this?
1,
Very good. Pick 1 stick. Good. Put it inside. Wow. Good boy. Okay. Which number is this? Look at here. Which number is this?
2.
Very good. Pick 2 sticks. 1, 2. Very good. Now you need to put these two sticks inside. Okay. Which number is this? 3. Say it. Which number is this?
3.
Very good. Pick 3 sticks. 1. You need to count and pick. 1.
1, 2, 3.
3. Good boy. Now you put it inside. Inside. 1, 2, 3. Activity 4. Let's spin. Can you count how many dots are there?
1, 2, 3,
Good.
4.
Can you find number 4 here? Where it is? 4. That's correct. So let's match number 4. Did you like it?
Yes.
Good boy. Thanks for watching our channel Cashew Kids. Do subscribe and encourage our channel. We will come back with many more mathematics video. Thank you. Bye-bye.